and the market keeps going down. That's to tell that there's impulse at that particular price level. Do you understand? Yes, meaning when the price got here, it faced a very, very strong rejection, telling us that this is a resistant level that is still going to hold. So we're going to adjust our box and take now this recent pricing here, this recent level that has just been formed, this high, because this is where impulse entered the market and pushed it down. So we're looking at if the price comes back at that particular price level, we should be looking for another selling opportunity to grab a quick scalp out of the market. So let's play the price and see what happens. So step one is to identify a very, very strong rejection from a particular price level. You understand?
Yeah.
Then now we see that, okay, since this market rejected this powerfully, therefore we should be looking for another powerful rejection the next time.
Yeah.
So now we're waiting for price. If price approaches this level here, we're looking to sell. Then now we can see that price is forming some inner structure here. A high has been formed. If this high breaks and comes back to retest, we can even get a buy there. So let's see what the market does from here. Let me just sketch what I'm looking at in this market. I'm waiting for the market to approach this area. Then I grab a sell to take this market down. So let's see. There's a level here that's been formed. The price has tapped here twice, but there was no powerful rejection. That's why I've not drawn support here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Instead, you can draw this one as support. This level here. You can map out this level here as support because there's a very powerful rejection from there. This is the rejection from down here to up here. It's powerful, so we can draw it out. In smart money concepts, this is consolidation here. Papa, you understand? You know consolidation. I already told you about consolidation now.
Yeah.
When the market is ranging up and down, that means the market is not breaking highs, it's not breaking lows, it's just dancing. You don't want to be in that kind of market. You have to wait for the price to go head to one particular direction. So you should know what you're looking out for. So this year's liquidity, the price is going to sweep this liquidity and pick up all of these orders. Yes, everybody that was selling now here has been stopped out. You understand? This is manipulation. Let's assume that, okay, to some people, this was their resistance here because price was rejecting here. Now, since their stop losses were just here, the market now wants to stop them out of this trade so that we take their money. You understand?
Yeah.
And the market just did that now. Anybody that was selling here now is like, whoa, what the fuck? Yeah, that's what has just happened now. Now, this is our own point of interest. This is where we are instead looking to enter the market because we had a very strong push and we're patient to wait for the market to come back. So let's see if the market comes back and enters there. Now we can see there's a tap into that zone. Damn, did you see that?
Yeah, it almost.
He entered. It did not almost. I haven't seen these weeks inside here.
Yeah, it entered, then just immediately went down.
Yeah, it just immediately spiked down like that. Bam! Just imagine that, okay, this is a 30-minute time frame. But let's step down to a 15-minute time frame to see if we could get an entry there. It's crazy how you can just use these concepts like this and make huge profits. This platform I'm using is quite slow, so we just have to bear with me. Let's see, refresh. Okay. Wow. I see what this is the 15 minutes time frame. Therefore, I've gone 2 times lower than what we were on the 30 minutes. We've broken it down to the 15 minutes to zoom in and see what price is doing. Yeah, so this is our POI that this is our key level that we drew on the 30 minutes now. Now,
mine has not balanced.
Pardon?
My own is not refreshed.
Your own has not refreshed.
I'm not seeing the refresh. Yeah.
Can you see my cursor moving?
No.
But you can hear me.
Yes.
Okay, that's weird. Okay.
Mine is still showing request time out. I'm supposed to fetch data.
Okay, it has not come yet. Just be a little bit patient. Let me just be talking here. We have price has tapped in our key level. Then now you start seeing some kind of long wicks like that start forming down, showing bearish pressure. Start showing this bearish pressure. Then boom, the market spiked down. But it didn't give me an entry. But at this level, people enter here when they start seeing this kind of rejections. But I would enter if I see a red candle form. And this red candle that formed here is already the trade. So if that's just to tell that this level was just too powerful and it didn't have time to start playing around to like it just one time. So your screen has not refreshed yet. Hello?
It has gone back again. I say it has refreshed and gone back.
Yeah, I'm the one who has changed it. I'm going back to the 30-minute time frame. It's going to refresh. This is how this platform I'm using is. It's quite slow. It's not Tradingview. Okay, we're back on the 30 minutes.
It has come.
Yeah, it's perfect now, right? So you can see this our prediction that we did here was perfect. This line that I drew here, I was looking for a tap here and a fall down, and that happened perfectly. Do you understand?
Perfectly.
Yeah, so if you were to grab a sell here, I'm just saying if you were to grab a sell here, your stop loss just above this zone, and you're looking for a 1:2. You would have made that in less than how many minutes? Because this candle here is 30 minutes now. This one long candle here is 30 minutes. And before it closing, in like 20 minutes, you'd have been done with this trade. So that would have been it for that trade. Pardon? Yeah, so that's what we're looking at there. Let's keep playing price further and see what happens. And from this strong push, that's telling you that what again? What does it tell you? From this strong push that we've just faced now, this strong rejection at this key level, what does it tell you?
What does it tell me?
Yeah, what does it tell you now? What does this piece of price action right here, what does it tell you? What are you looking for next?
For a sell.
For a sell where? Where are you looking for the sell?
I'm not understanding.
You say you're looking for a sell now. You should know where you want to sell now. Are you just selling? I'm saying that there. Price has pulled in our key level here and rejected again impulsively. So now what are we looking for now in the market? Now we've already grabbed our trade here. We've made our money. So what next?
We're looking for a support resistance now to buy, to see if the market can go back up.
Go back up. Yeah, at this point here, we can buy this support because we drew support here and we have a rejection here. Meaning we cannot step in, we cannot enter the market here from this green candle form. Then our stop loss will be just below this zone. They were looking for 1:2. This starts 1.67. Let me look for 2. Perfect. That's 2. This is the 1:2 trade. Let's play out the market and see what happens. If we get stopped out or if we make money back into this zone. As you can see, immediately the price just went back again inside that zone. And it's going to stop us out for sure. Boom, we're stopped out. We've been stopped out. Then this market, as that stopped us out like this now, it's going to go up. It has broken. Yes, this week took us out on this trade. So let's see what happens. Let's just keep watching. They were out of this trade. That's what you need to know.
Yeah, no. The market wants to start consolidating.
Yeah, the market is consolidating now. So the market needs to break and go somewhere. This resistance level up here that we drew is still valid because we still had another strong rejection from it. So if the market comes back, they were still looking.
We're still waiting to sell.
Yes. So probably the market is trying to build up liquidity like it did here.
Yeah.
Okay, the market is pushing down strongly.
It has passed our former level of support.
Yeah, it has broken down. It has broken our support level. Then now look at the speed at which it's taking to go up. Can you see this? Are you
Yes,
seeing this?
I'm saying.
It's taking high speed now to the upside.
Yes,
Why would you have to
outside.
stop us out first, market? You see, this that was the initial prediction that we did here, that the market will bounce here and go up, but the market just had to stop us out. Jesus Christ. Look at that
This one
move.
see, has entered our this thing,
Yeah, our key
our
level.
resistance zone.
It has
So
entered our
let's
resistance zone. So now
wait for
we have to look for a sell from here.
the sell.
Yes.
But we can't just indicate now.
So now let's look for a rejection. Whoa, whoa. You see that one? You see that rejection?
I'm not seeing. My screen has frozen.
Damn. Tell me when you see. That's not gone. Your network is probably not good. We have a strong rejection from that key level again, the third time. So now we have to take our trade.
Yeah.
So I'm taking a sell trade from that key level, from the rejection. The red candle has been formed already. So I'm taking my trade. I'm opening my trade when that red candle closes. Then my stop loss will be just above the zone. Okay, that's refreshed. Yeah, very, very strong one. So now we're looking for 1:2.
Yes.
And let's play the market. Hopefully we don't get stopped out because this market could still spike up, stop us out before going down. The banks do that a lot.
Yeah.
Whoa. Did you see that? Have you seen it?
Yes.
Yes, that there is a master of art. This is a master of art. That's in how many minutes? No, hours. We entered here. This is 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. Boom. We've already banked 2 times what we risked in the market. So we have taken 3 trades, we've won 2 and we've lost 1. So wow.
Well, I've taken 4 trades.
Eh?
We took 4 trades now. We took 4 trades, 1 to win and lost 1.
No, it's 3 trades that we've taken. Okay, this one up here. Yeah. This sell trade here. I didn't even put a box there. 4 trades. We've lost 1 and won 3.
Yes.
Damn. Our stop loss just above this zone. Target here. This is the trade that we missed out, that we didn't box it. Okay. Let me fix that. Good. Let's play price further and see what happens from here. But I'm anticipating that this level here, this level down here will be good to buy from because we had a strong push from this level. Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Yes, so we should highlight that level, this level here, as a strong resistant level. Let's go. The price has tapped again inside our point of interest. It has tapped again inside that key level.
My screen has frozen.
Damn your screen.
MacBook.
Has it refreshed?
No. That's refused to refresh.
Okay, I don't know what's going on with your screen, but we're going to carry forward, we're going to move forward. Okay. The price has tapped in. The price has tapped in our key level again, but I'm not taking a sell because the more a level is being tapped, the weaker it gets. Do you understand? Yeah, because like let's take for example, we have like a door. You're smashing against that door. Every time you smash against that door, does it get stronger or weaker?
No, it gets weaker.
It gets weaker now. Meaning at one point it's going to break.
Yeah, it's going to break.
Yeah. So I usually take trades from these levels like this based on order flow. So when I looked at this market here, we see has your screen refreshed?
My phone has frozen. My phone is getting hot.
Anyways, when the video come out, you're going to watch it. So this tapped in, rejected, broke structure, came back up again, tapped here, broke structure. So I was taking trade here the third time because when this one tapped in here, it broke structure again to the downside, indicating the dominance of bears in the market over the bulls, meaning sellers in the market were much stronger because they kept breaking structure to the downside. So when this structure here was broken, I was still interested in this zone. But now this zone has produced its own low, which has not broken any structure. So the market is most likely now to tap here and just go up and break the structure. That's why I'm not looking to sell here, because the low produced by this high didn't take out any other low. So I'm anticipating that the market should reject, come back here, we buy it, or it breaks and retest and we take it up. The market has broken up and rejected. So the market now might start falling from here, or it might just go up. And we had a powerful rejection from that zone again. What? 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 You see that? That is what I call impulse. This is what I call impulse. This is what I call impulse. Well, I wouldn't have taken this trade. First of all, it breached our level way too much, closed out of our level, meaning it could still come down here, close this red candle and still go up. Okay, it's not good to take every setup you see. You have to be very selective of your trades, guys. So this is it. This is it. Let's see if we can have our last trade down here at this support level. Has the screen refreshed? Huh?
Yes.
Can you see the price action? Can you see what happened here?
Where?
Price came up again at our key level, but I didn't sell. I didn't sell like I was saying, because when this price stopped in here the last time it broke structure. You can see these lows here, right?
Yes.
The momentum produced by this high took out all of these lows, showing that the market is more in a bearish order flow. So when the market came back up here again, I sold because it broke structure, like I told you. So when I sold here, it validated my trade. It came here now. The low that it produced was not good enough for me to sell again at this level. Meaning I would have wanted this low to close lower for me to know that, okay, yeah, for me to know this market is really bearish. But now when the market starts facing rejection here and tapping again back into our key level, I'm not looking for a trade. But you can see it still worked out, right?
Yeah, it still worked out.
Magically, like this one was even more impulsive than the last one. This one is crazy. So what I'm looking for here now is a tap at this support level. If the market taps on this support level that we drew here, then I'm looking to buy this market up. I'm looking to take that market back up. So let's play price and see what happens if we get tapped in or not. I'll also be interested in selling here. Let me just show you this low that was produced here. I'm looking to sell here. Is it
No.
I'm looking to sell here because the market formed this low, then broke structure. So if the market comes back and retests this low, I'll sell. Now the market is consolidating, still building up liquidity like it always does. Every power move it follows with equal highs and lows. You saw that when we had this power move here, it consolidated, broke. Another power move is consolidating. So you need to expect what are you expecting now? Impulse. Yeah.
So what if somebody is to enter a trade where the market is consolidating like that, the person is going to make losses?
Yes, you're going to take losses in a consolidating market, obviously, because there you don't have like equal highs and lows. You see the market bouncing up, spikes down, and there's no momentum, there's no volume. Okay, let's say this is your support. You buy here, and the market just moves like two candles, comes back again. Like it's crazy, right? You want to see volume. You want to know that the market is going like
Yeah.
this. You want to know that the market is going like this. And volume is this massive candles in the market. When you see tiny candles like this, stay away. So we've had a tap on this level here, and then we've had
Yes,
a
sir.
yeah, and then we've had a reaction from this zone. So here we can take a sell trade because why? It has tapped in our level here and it's rejecting. So let me just grab a quick sell right there. And you also have to bear in mind that not every trade is going to work out.
Sorry
Okay.
about
So let's grab our 1:2 normal.
eh?
I say we're taking a sell here now. As you can see, I'm adjusting my. Okay, let's play price and see what happens if it stops us out or played out. Okay, this will definitely be a loss. Good. We took a loss there. So now my next point, my next level that I'm looking for is this resistance level here. Because that's my tankang, that's the OG. However, if this market pulls back here and rejects, I'll still buy. So you can see the market is coming back there and the market has rejected.
My screen has frozen. Actually, no, everything just suddenly cool.
Yeah, sure. Sorry about that.
Eh?
So the level that I was selling at failed. So I took a loss on that level. So now since I was selling, the market broke, putting and showing me buying pressure. So now I'm waiting for the market to come back to that level and then give me an entry signal so I can buy the market since the market is bullish. And the market did just that. So I'm entering a buy here on this green candle. And my stop loss will be just below that. And I'm looking for 1:2. But I might just take profits at this next zone here. Now let me look for 1:2. 1:2 will be perfect. Because that's how I trade. I don't want to go against my rules. So let's play price.
I don't think I can switch
Wow,
off.
that one stopped us out quickly. Quickly. That was a quick stop out.
Wrong.
But what's amazing is when you follow your rules and the market does not work, it was not meant to work. So you just have to keep going.
Why can you not take a 1:4 market?
You can take a 1:4. Like most of the trades that we've taken here, if we're looking at 1:4, I've made it. But 1:4 is like it's massive and it's not easily achieved. With a 1:4 risk to reward, you should be aiming for like a 30% or 20% win rate. And that's quite low for me. So I want something that when I enter here, it goes out because I'm not really sure where the market will bounce next. So you want to make sure you're out of the market as fast as you can. Because if you're taking 1:2 and
All right, I get you.
if you're taking a 1:2, you compound your accounts. You can still make money way more than people that are taking 1:5. Because let's say you take 1:2 now, you're out. The money that you've made here, you add it to your initial capital and you enter again. You're doubling your position, you're scaling up, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. So it's just about compound interest and understanding. People see trade 1-to-1 and it's very, very good. Okay, I think we missed out on a trade here. Let me just rewind that real quick. Are you seeing it just has a screen balance?
My screen I refuse to balance.
Anyways, when I release a video, you might watch it. So we just had another support level form because price was consolidating here. Then suddenly the price broke up impulsively. I didn't see this. I just realized it now. Probably I was focused somewhere else. So the price the price did exactly what we were expecting it to do when we started this session. It formed the level, broke impulsively. So that automatically becomes our support level. You understand? Yeah, so the market now has pulled back into that support level. Now we're looking to buy from there. So if we would have bought from this rejection here, so if we would have bought from this rejection here, our stop loss would be just below the level as usual. Oh, this thing keeps refreshing. Let me get rid of this arrow. Our stop loss will be just below the level as usual here. Then our target will be 1:2. Oh, please. Stop it. 1:2. Perfect. And yeah, that would have been a winning trade. Crazy winning trade. Crazy winning trade. So let's keep going.
Hey, really?
Sorry about your phone. But
I
you
can
still
only
can
hear
watch.
your voice.
Yeah, you still can watch the video. You watch the video later. I'll post it on my YouTube channel. So you watch the video, then you can maybe follow with me and see what I was doing.
Right.
Yeah. So my high probability setup here is looking for a sell at this level. Because when the market tapped there, it broke structure again to the downside, which is good. So I'm looking for my last trade to close this session. The market weak here, but it didn't quite enter our POI, so we're doing nothing. There was a setup that I was looking at on this pair, on this Euro USD. Hey, I've totally forgotten about it. And it might have started
Oh,
already. Yeah. I was looking for a sell. Okay, let me just close this right here and check out for that live trade because that's a live trade. Let's check it out. Let's see what. Okay, this is exactly. Can you see my screen?
no, bro.
Okay, you can't see.
I can only hear your voice.
Okay, but what I'm looking at here now is a setup that I got up this morning and I was looking at sinks. So the market has just tapped in. So I'm waiting for this candle to close bearish as it is already. I will screenshot this and share this because this is a crazy setup. This setup should play out.
All right.
Let me look at the 15 minutes. I probably have missed my entry already. Damn, I was caught up in the Zoom meeting. So this is a typical example of what I'm saying a good setup looks like. This level here has been formed, point A. The level has been broken and retested, point B. Then now point C to get a trade, which just happened. We just had a perfect rejection. And looking at that candle, there's volume to be entered. There's volume to be traded in this market. So let's assume we got in here at this close. I didn't actually take this trade. Let me just open right now. I'm late, but I'll still take the trade. Euro USD. Sell one lot. Okay, I've opened my trade. I'll share the results probably in my next video. Then let's look for 1:2. And then hopefully, if this works out, I'll share the results and I'll share a clip of this video and the new video. So I'm looking for 1:2 right there. That is our trade. I just opened mine now and I'm running in profits. Then there was a US 30 trade that I also took. My previous video, I think it's the second to the last video, the third video from this one. I did a breakdown, US 30 and NASDAQ. So that trade, I took a live trade while I was doing that. And I'm still looking at that trade. That trade has run in profit, crazy profit. So I have to share that result too. I'll share the result of that US 30 trade and I'll also share the result of this one. Everything worked out perfectly. So hopefully this one plays out. This is what I'm looking at. So I'm going to end the meeting here. See ya.
Oh, it was a great one. Thank you.
Sure.